Hi, I'm John, and I love letters. I started lettering way back in college when there were no computers yet. So when we do our ads, we design and we paint our headlines, our body copy. I'd like to get my inspiration from the normal things. I'd like to experiment, especially with the materials I use with my art or with my lettering. What excites me most about the type community here in the Philippines is that parang binabalik natin yung art of hand lettering. You get to meet a lot of people with the same passion and you get to exchange ideas. Marami ka rin na-share at marami kang na-inspire at the same time.